Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Danny, and in this video we are going to review this AirPods 4s that I got from DHGate. You won't believe how good these are. First thing is the unboxing experience. Unboxing these were actually exactly how real AirPods were, with the pull tabs at the back, which you had to take off on the bottom and at the top. So after that was the AirPods themselves. I had to take out the top lid from the box, and first we're greeted by the December album in California paperwork, which actually came with every instruction that matched the real AirPod 4s. Next was the AirPods themselves. We had to take them out of this translucent jacket, and first off, the quality on these were actually amazing. At the bottom you do have the charger and speakers, and at the back you have where it was made and where it was assembled, for example in Vietnam for these AirPods. And when it came to pairing these, it was actually very simple. You just double tap on the case like real AirPod 4s would be. It's very hard to find AirPod 4s from DHGate that actually do this. And once paired, you are greeted with more information or more settings basically. But then when we go into the settings page, you can see we have the listening modes like transparency, ANC. We have other settings in there as well that you can fine tune or tweak to your liking. And somehow on these they were able to actually get Apple Care Plus on these that expire in 2027 March 9th, and you can see the serial number on the box, and on the iPhone they match as well. So I'm here trying to test out transparency and ANC, and first off, yes, transparency works, and yes, ANC works. I couldn't hear anything whatsoever outside when I actually turned it on, and I was actually amazed on how good these AirPods were. And the sound quality on these were amazing. The bass hits, everything was clear and crisp. I'll give this a solid 8 out of 10 for sound quality. And one thing I want to add in this is that yes, the stem controls do work for pausing and playing, and increasing the volume or reducing the volume actually work on the stem controls, which is a plus to how the real ones are. With all that being said, these are actually amazing. The quality on these were actually way better than anything I've ever done before. Links will be down below in the description. And with all that being said, drop a like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.